Well, hey there guys, this is a quick video as a lot of you guys wanted to know how to update the soundbar, and I just had a word with the Zebronics care technician who fixed my soundbar. So he told that warranty will not be void first off if you are updating a software version. However, the warranty will get void if you are doing any hardware related changes. So I'm going ahead and making this video to keep you guys posted and make you aware that you can update the software. And also I will be sharing the file personally if you want to go ahead with the installation. So this is the file that you have to install with, and you need a pen drive for this. So what you're going to do is you need to have a pen drive, and you will have to go ahead and format the pen drive. Make sure it is selected and at FAT32. Once you're at FAT32, you can just go ahead and format the drive. Once you format the drive, you will have to copy and paste that particular update file into your pen drive. So that is the first process you have to go through. I'm just gonna wait till there we go, it's formatted. Now I'll just go ahead, copy this folder, and I'll go ahead and paste it. So I have the file. Now I'll go ahead, remove the file, and bear with me for 1 second there guys. Okay, so now that you have, once you put the pen drive, you have to make sure you click on right, left, click on OK to see the version. I already have version 88, so it will not work for me because I have already installed. What you have to do is you have to double click these buttons. You have to double click the right button, double click the left button, and click on center button. Once you do that, it will show updating, and once it updates, it will restart your soundbar, and that's pretty much it. You will be good to go once that is done. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in another one.